clean and dry with serious efficiency and enjoy a runtime of up to 4.5 hours. This is the AUCH FSP26, a premium self-propelled walk-behind floor scrubber. Driven by 4 Ametek Rotron TDS motors, the FSP26 delivers powerful, consistent, professional-grade results with fatigue-free operation. At under 65 decibels, it's quite enough to run during working hours. And fender wheels make it easy to maneuver in tight areas. Dual brushes provide stability and a 720mm scrubbing path, and the easy switch system ensures quick, tool-free changes. The wide squeegee attaches in seconds. It has 2 premium sealed maintenance-free batteries, with a large 62-litre capacity, and operation is simple with the intuitive control panel. One pass transforms dirty floors into spotless, safe surfaces. AUCH Commercial Cleaning Specialists.